As an e-commerce seller, I understand just how important it is to have positive reviews on your listings and positive feedback within your Amazon or Walmart seller accounts. I've been selling on Amazon for over 12 years now and Walmart Marketplace for over 4 years now. And I understand that if you don't have a bunch of positive reviews on your product or a bunch of positive feedback on your Amazon or Walmart account, then it's going to lead to decreased sales and you won't make as much money. It is very difficult to get reviews on your own when you just sell the item and hope that the customer is going to leave the review or feedback. It's very rare for that to actually happen. So that's where GetReviews.ai comes in, because basically what they're going to do is they're going to offer a platform that will give you different options to get more reviews on your Amazon listings and your Walmart listings. GetReviews.ai helps you to create inserts that can go right into your packages that you ship. And this will actually have a QR code right on the card, and that will allow the customer to scan it and go right to your review page and leave you a review. Now, if you didn't have something like that in the package, then it's highly unlikely that that customer would ever even leave a review, because I've been selling for, like I said, for quite some time, and it's super rare that a customer is going to just leave a product review or feedback organically. The other thing that GetReviews.ai, it will allow you to send surveys. So you can send the survey via email or you can send it via text message, and basically it's going to check whether the customer liked the product, and if they did, then it will allow them to leave a review. GetReviews is designed to boost your review count and help you to make more sales and make more money as a result of it. The other thing that it allows you to do is you can actually offer incentives like a longer warranty or an e-gift card, and that can be sent out directly to the customer after they've left the review. One of the first things that I'm going to talk about for GetReviews.ai is the package insert design tool. So basically what this allows you to do is it allows you to design a package insert card, like I was discussing before, that you would put just into your package that's getting shipped to the customer. And this is going to help you to in turn get more reviews. But there will be that QR code right on the card, and that's going to allow the customer to scan it and go right to a review page for your product. So it's just about making it very easy for the customer to leave the review and maybe offering some sort of incentive. You can offer an incentive right on that card. When you're actually designing the card to put into the packages, there's a drag and drop design tool. You can just drag and drop, add a picture of your logo, and then add some text, something like scan the QR code to share your experience, and then it will allow the customer to go and leave you that review. It's a common misconception that product inserts are actually banned from being allowed to be put into products that you ship to Amazon customers. The reason that I say that is you have to follow certain stipulations of what you can actually put on that card. But as long as you follow these few steps, it will allow you to actually be able to include these inserts into your packages and avoid having any issues with Amazon. You can't solicit only positive reviews. So you can't say something like, leave us a 5-star review and then you can get this additional warranty. You cannot do that. That's why what I said earlier in the video is you need to say something like, share your experience. There's no soliciting of just trying to get a positive review when you're just saying share your experience. You also can't say something like, if you like the product, leave us a review. And if you don't like the product, then send us an email. You can't do anything like that. So it has to be something just like share your experience. Amazon basically just wants things to stay transparent. They don't want you to be funneling their customers to your own website or something like that either. So you can't include any personal information like that. It's basically just best to stay simple and just say, scan the QR code to share your experience. So in summary, GetReviews.ai is a super helpful tool for Amazon and Walmart and e-commerce sellers. They have other integrations as well. So you can check those out on their page, and you can actually also get a 15% off discount for your first 3 months using the code GURU15OFF, and that will get you 15% off for your first 3 months. So give it a try. I'll put the link down below so that you can get signed up today. If you have any questions about GetReviews.ai, make sure you comment them below and I'll do my best to answer those for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you give it a try, and I hope that you get more reviews on your Amazon or Walmart listings as a result of using this program. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Bye for now.